Hello and welcome, my dear fellow food lovers. We are so glad that you found us. Today we are sharing a recipe of a delicious drink, watermelon agua fresca. It's made with a combination of fresh pureed fruits, usually served by street vendors and eateries in US and Mexico. Hope you all like it.
If you're watching us for the first time, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel CurriesToCustard. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram as well. So let's get started.
Let's start the procedure. Place watermelon cube, sugar and water in a blender and puree it. Now place lemon slice and 3-4 mint leaves in a serving glass and crush it with a muddler. Now add 2 ice cubes in each glass, then pour in watermelon puree. Garnish it with some more lemon slice and mint leaves if you like. Watermelon agua fresca is ready to serve.